Well, good evening to you. We've had one of those days with a lot of cloud cover hanging around, but only a few areas picked up on the rain. Northwest and briefly to the south as well. Much of the region remaining dry, and that's how we're heading into the evening. We are expecting partly cloudy skies to develop more so for tonight. But what we've been tracking throughout the weekend will continue. That is a return of some much hotter weather. You see it saying hazy, hot and humid as we head into the upcoming weekend. That feel of summer, official start of summer as well. Absolutely, you'll feel that in the air. And overall, the rain chances will be limited. Maybe a couple of showers out there this evening, but over the next week or so, it's going to be mainly dry and a chance to dry out. We're still very green. This will look in Osage County from our Overbrook camera. Very green up the Spring Creek Golf Course Seneca location with lots of cloud cover hanging around up north and mostly cloudy in Topeka, 82. You know, it's been a while since we've had a heavy rain in the capital city. And look at, there's still standing areas of water out in some of the fields. Breezes out of the northeast at about 8 miles per hour, and 82, the warmest we've been so far today. 81 at Manhattan and Junction City, 81 at Council Grove, but upper 70s north and a few upper 70s to the south. This area that's a little warmer, sandwiched in between two areas of disturbed weather. Most of the region with a north and northeast wind, and that is wrapping around the backside of an area off to the southeast where that tropical system is. But that northerly wind will, through the course of the night into tomorrow morning, actually bring in a little reduction in the humidity. It won't be quite as muggy tomorrow morning. This is 8 o'clock in the morning. But don't get too excited that means we're losing the humidity for a while. It will not take long. Winds will start to turn to the southeast tomorrow and then south on Saturday. And watch this as we head into Saturday morning, not too bad. But then we get muggy to oppressively muggy by the late part of the day on Saturday. Extremely humid. It will be hotter as well. And at the same time, the winds will kick in. Southeast winds turn to the south. This is Saturday morning now. Watch through the day. 10 to 20 mile per hour southerly winds, that kind of blast furnace feel as we warm up. We get that hot wind blowing in, but also humid air. It's going to take on just that feel of summer in the air for Saturday. Clouds are still scattered across the area, but off to the southeast, that's where the remnants of what was, again, at one time tropical storm, it's the remnants of tropical depression built. Because we've got this area that's somewhat unfavorable for rain, earlier that thunderstorm complex fizzled out right as it moved in. And we're not hitting this either. So we're getting most of the area a chance to dry out. Certainly some good news. Future track shows not only drying, but clearing out. Tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock, mostly clear. Lots of sunshine tomorrow and more of the same as we head into Saturday. The problem will be the heat index. Not so much of a problem tomorrow. Tomorrow's pretty nice. Middle to upper 80s is what it'll feel like. Look at Saturday, though. We start out near 70. And climb up into low to mid 100 degree level for the heat index. It's going to be a scorcher by the time we're into Saturday afternoon. We jump from 86 to a high to 96 on Saturday, 95 on Sunday with a 20% chance for a pop-up shower or storm. It doesn't look to be a good chance for rain over the weekend. And then summer, low to mid 90s all the way through most of next week with lows into the lower 70s. Had those storms coming through earlier up north. This was near Seneca, some of those dark, ominous looking clouds. Farther south, it was just hazy this morning and a little patchy fog in western Shawnee County near Dover.
Certainly for the weekend, hot, humid, windy.
Yeah.
For me, I'm just going to stay inside, have the air conditioning on high.
That's a better wind to blow in your face. I was
Yes.
talking earlier. I was saying it's like walking around with a hairdryer blowing in your face and a spray bottle on the other side, just hot, wet.
We know how comfortable that is.
Yeah, some people love it though.
Thanks, Matt.